Hi there, you welcome to my channel again. Still on Windows 11, its installation and system requirements. So I uploaded a video recently that was talking about how to install Windows 11 for free, and I had a lot of comments coming down from my mail on how to detect if your system actually meets the Windows 11 system requirements. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to detect if your PC or laptop meets the Windows 11 requirements. So down in the description of this video, I've left a link to download the PC Health Checker. Now this app is going to guide you to detect if your system actually meets the requirement to install Windows 11. So let's follow up the on-screen instructions so that we can be able to download this app and then be able to detect if our system meets the requirement to install Windows 11. Alright, our download is completed. Let's run the setup to install the program. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the setup. Alright, our setup has been downloaded successfully. Let's run it to see if our PC meets the requirement. Now, this is the interface of the PC Health Checker. Let's check to see. Now it says that this PC can't run Windows 11. Why? The system disk needs to be 64 GB or larger. So it implies that all the other requirements meet, just that my internal memory is too smaller to install Windows 11. So what I have to do is to increase the system disk or the hard drive of my PC so that I will be able to install Windows 11. Now if you get a prompt that this PC can run Windows 11, then you can go ahead to download the Windows 11 ISO file, make it bootable with Rufus, and then run the installation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.